Hey everybody, JD Man here today on the Streetfighter. Want to first off, beautiful day in October, and just want to say most of y'all that watch my videos are not subscribed. I'd appreciate you helping the channel out. Subscribe, hit that like button, just to help get that algorithm going the right way here. So yeah, I want to talk about, and this is the perfect bike here to be talking about it on. I rode the Aprilia RSV4 1100, and I rode a Tuono 1100. Neither of them were factories. 217 horsepower on the RSV4, 175 on the Tuono. Okay, and this bike here has 208, and I don't know, a lot of guys, well, not a lot, some guys say that you have to really push this thing and get it wound up. But this bike here down low, it's got good bottom end. On the road you can have fun with it. I saw one guy say, you know, you can't have fun unless you're breaking the speed limit. Well, that's pretty much any bigger bikes. You're gonna, you know, if the speed limit's 55, it's like first, second gear and you're done. So but I will say this, like I said, that RSV4, that was a blast. I really enjoyed myself riding that. That thing will get shit and get, man. And handled nice. The engine, that engine's just amazing. And I don't know, I rode a Panigale V4S, but I rode, yeah, it was like around Pittsburgh and couldn't really get into it. Oh, there's the lovely fuel. 83 miles, fuel lights on. That's the one bad thing that sucks about this bike. Around 80 miles, fuel light kicks on. So I only got 8 more miles to go till I get home. But yeah, probably 100 miles is all you're going to get on a tank of gas on the Streetfighter before you run out. So that is a drawback. I wish they could somehow make that tank a little bit bigger. But yeah, that RSV4 is great, and I went there to that demo day I wanted to ride the Tuono. That's the bike I wanted. Yeah, really, you know, that was like the one, like, okay, this is the one that I probably gonna get, because you hear about how great they are. And I'll tell you what, I should have never rode that RSV4. Because yeah, ride that, then riding the Tuono is like, Tuono doesn't have it. But you gotta look to what the bikes are built for. And yeah, there is, what, 42 horsepower. You can definitely tell. The Tuono's got 42 horsepower less than RSV4. Man, Tuono was very comfortable. Yeah, and still, if I would have never rode that RSV4, that Tuono would have been fine. But now it's like, I don't know what to do. because the RSV4 is not the most comfortable, especially on the old wrists. And I'm not getting any younger, so I don't know. I got a lot of thinking to do. And then there's always the S1000RR. That bike was, you know, for a sports bike, that was comfortable. Yeah. Don't want to get with that oil there. But yeah, this thing here too, I mean, the engine in the Tuono cannot compete with this engine, in my opinion. But I'm biased because I own this bike. But the engine in the RSV4 is better than this. Yeah. So, but they're two different bikes. So yeah, if you really want a Tuono, don't ride an RSV4, because man, what a great bike, what a great bike. And if I decide on one, hopefully I can swing it, because I think it would be a great addition to have to the collection. Yeah, they say about riding slow bikes fast is fun. Well, riding a fast bike fast is fun too. And I like the short bursts. I like getting up to speed quick, because that's I just got started, drag racing, with my Mustang. We'd go Wednesday nights to Moroso down in West Palm. We'd be out at Moroso testing 2 nights running the Mustang. I did my share of street racing, and got busted one time with that. That wasn't fun. I thought my ass was going to jail. But yeah, I going fast and quick in a straight line, quarter mile stuff, I like that. But then I like getting the bike. I like the curves too now. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you're looking for a sport bike, and that RSV4 is hard to not take a good serious look at it. So alrighty, everybody, I'm gonna get off here. Just wanted to give you my opinion on that, because they were 2 totally different bikes. And like I said, the Tuono, I don't know, I'm like, But if you're gonna get one, you're gonna it's gonna be a great bike. It doesn't win all these shootouts every year for no reason. It's a complete package, let's put it that way. The Tuono is definitely a complete package. So alrighty, this is JD, man. Y'all stay safe out there, take care of yourselves, and I'm gonna say peace, 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 peace.